Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we're back on this guy again, the actor governor of our Lagos state, Babajide Sanwo Olu. So this guy was sworn in on the 29th of May and today is the 24th of June. So he's barely a month into his tenure, and this is about the third or fourth video that I am doing on this rather clownish guy now, and none of those videos are to recommend him in any way or to commend him in any way. So guys, I bring you this. Lagos Governor Sanwo Olu leads choir during service at RCCG Lekki. So that's the headline. Lagos Governor Sanwo Olu leads choir during service at RCCG in Lekki, and there's a video evidence of this as well. Lagos Governor Sanwo Olu recently played the role of choir master during a service held at RCCG in Lekki. The governor led the choristers in a praise and worship session. As seen in the video, Sanwo Olu danced joyfully and celebrated with the church members in attention. Or that should be in attendance, but in attention is what they wrote here. Governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo Olu, was recently spotted at a church service held at the Redeemed Christian Church of God in Lekki during the occasion of the annual RCCG Worldwide Goshen Church Praise Festival. During the service, the governor got into a worship mode on stage. He led the whole choir in a soulful praise and worship session, which got many of the church members in attendance swaying to the music. Sanwo Olu himself was animated during the service. He danced as he sang and lifted his hands in praise. The governor, who dressed in a simple native fashion, seemed to be enjoying himself on stage. So this is it now. This guy again, you remember the last time he was arresting a Danfo driver, pointing his finger in a Rambo style that he was arresting Danfo driver for driving in the wrong direction, and he made sure to have cameraman there. So that was staged and contrived. And then when he came into office, a week into the office, he said he was already losing weight because of the pressure of the job. The guy that was there before him was growing fatter. He wasn't losing weight and he wasn't complaining about stress. He was smiling all the way through the 4 years, and he wanted another 4 years. But this guy, 1 week into his tenure, is already saying that he's losing weight because of the stress of the job after 1 week. When you have not even started reading files yet, you are already claiming stress. And then barely a month into his tenure now, he's now at RCCG Lekki dancing Palongo and making himself look idiotic like a clownish little. So what is going on with this guy exactly is the question. And the original question that I asked in previous videos is still valid and is still pertinent. Is this guy an administrator or an actor? Is he a governor or an actor? Because he seems to be cutting a lot of the publicity and wants to be in the public space. So if he wants to be popping, then he should go on social media and become like an Instagram paddy man and leave the seat of government to a serious-minded person that knows the needs of the state, because Lagos is the heartbeat of the country. So we don't need a Palongo man dancing whatever it is that is dancing. And I will show the video clip, by the way, if I haven't shown it already. So there's a video clip of this guy dancing this Palongo business in RCCG Lekki. So this guy now needs to now sit in his office and let his work do the talking. Let his achievements do the talking, rather than pointing at doubtful drivers in governor arrest and claiming you are stressed, and then going to RCCG to dance at Palongo and make noise and hoopla. So this is not what we need, because Lagos is far too important to have this sort of goings on. So this goings on really is now what I am inviting your conversation around, and come join me in the comment section to let me know what your thoughts are. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you are making of this Palongo governor of Lagos State in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.